Get ready to meet the world's first canine computer genius. Meet Max the dog with a mission. Today he's assembling a gaming beast. First up, Max grabs the motherboard with his paws. Precision is key. Now he's fetching the CPU and gently placing it in the socket. Good boy, Max. Next, he's got the RAM sticks in his mouth, carefully clicking them into place. Look at that focus. Time for the GPU. Max nudges it in with his nose. Who needs thumbs, right? Max finishes up with some cable management, using his paws to tie everything neatly. And voila! Our furry friend just built a gaming powerhouse. Who knew dogs had such tech skills? Hit like if Max just blew your mind and subscribe for more pawsome content. See you in the next video!